So you did your own video analysis and you noticed that you're bending at your waist. So your picture probably looked like this. Now, the reason that most runners do this is they might be trying to run faster, or they might have read something online about falling or leaning or their chi or something where they read that you're supposed to get your body weight forward and lean forward. The problem is that when you do that and you only lean forward with your shoulders and your head and your butt and your hips stay behind you, you end up bending at your waist. Your heaviest part is through your midsection. That's where all of your organs are. So by leaving that behind you, that creates drag. We want to work on keeping your whole body together as you're falling forward, because really what that does is that utilizes gravity. Gravity is a natural force that works on your body. We live on Earth, so we have to interact with it, but you have to learn how to interact with it the proper way. So falling forward, so I want you to think like a tree falling or a gas pedal where it's pivoting all of it together. And by working on that, you can work on gaining speed. If you want to run faster, you need to work on falling better. For some really great information on this, look up the pose method of running. Dr. Romanoff has done some extensive research on how to utilize gravity to help you run faster. And so if you're noticing on your video or your any pictures that you see of you in races that you tend to bend forward, we want to work on this. So this drill that I'm going to show you is called a wall fall. And what you're going to do during the wall fall is focus and perceive the ability of your body to fall together. Taking your hips, your shoulders, your head, all of you together. And so again, this drill is to help you run faster because you're utilizing gravity for your acceleration. But it also helps you avoid what you saw on that picture. It helps you really feel and learn how to run with proper technique by keeping your entire body together.